Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. It's Corvette time and we got a special one for you, a 1970 LS5. That's the 454, 390 horsepower, numbers matching car, frame off restored. Got a 4-speed, a 370 posi out back. We acquired it from the same guy that's owned it for the last 32 years. If you go to volocars.com, you can read all the specs, study all the pictures, and get the price. Not only on this one, but we do have a few hundred collector cars that are all for sale. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, join me, let's go for a spin in a big block Vette. Yeah, 1970 Corvette would be the most desirable year because that was when the horsepower hit its peak. In 71, they lowered it, and they continuously lowered it years after. So this is the ultimate big block Corvette. Anyway, underneath the car, it's beautiful. The front end looks like it's all brand new. All the ball joints, tie rod ends, bushings, shocks, the steering control valve, hoses. Up front looks really nice. There are pictures of that on our website. The rear suspension also looks like it was all redone. The spring looks new. The bushings look real nice. The shocks look like they've been replaced. It's all painted. Front and rear suspension is painted, detailed. Looks really nice. Has a chambered exhaust system, which you'll hear it in a little bit. Instead of mufflers, it has crimped pipe. That was a factory option. You look up at the motor is still super clean. The block, the oil pan, the nuts and bolts are all clean. Chevy orange. Does have a new high torque starter, a mini starter. The bell housing is clean. It has the flywheel cover in place. It has a Muncie transmission. It is a correct one, but not the VIN number matched one for the car. In back, it looks like it does have the original 370 posi rear end for this car. The floors are all real clean. The frame is solid and painted real nicely. The brake components, as four-wheel disc brakes, they look fresh. The calipers are clean. The hoses, the cables for the emergency brakes, all that system looks clean as well. These have independent suspension front and back. That's how they came. So underneath the car is exceptional, really nice. The body's really nice. I literally just wiped the whole car down. We do have pictures of it stripped down. The only flaws I found, very small hairline cracks, 2 of them right here in the corner. Very typical place that they do that. And also typical, there's a little damage right here. The door swings open too far. It hits the hinge in there and it left a little damage right there. That's all that I had seen. The paint is smooth, shiny. It's no issues. And the gaps are exceptionally nice too. This wiper door, they never fit right. The headlights fit nice. All the gaps run the doors. Everything fits real nicely. The big block has that raised hood with the chrome inserts there. It's an original antenna. It's got a little age showing on. It's not brand new, but it's the correct one. The bumpers look like they are new. Tail lights look new. This license plate frame here is the original. It's got some pitting going on. The emblems look real nice. The rear window pops out. It's still in right now, but you take the tops off and there's just 2 latches. The window pops out and there's actually a storage shelf. You put it right in the car and it's essentially a roadster with a roll bar at that point. The glass is real nice. Couple faint wiper marks, but nice clear windshield. Yeah, everything's fitting real nice on this side too. Corvettes come with 15x8 rally wheels. All the trim looks like it was replaced. They're beautiful. BF Goodrich tires look like they have no miles on them. Up here, the bumper's replaced, and it all fits nice. My dad taught me that. Stand back and look at a Corvette and see if the bumpers are all straight. It's got the shields in here, the rain shields that protect the headlights. It's something I've been looking for lately. At least half the time those are gone. The mirror is nice. Door jambs are painted real nice. The weather stripping's real good. The interior is real nice. Genuine leather seats. The leather's in beautiful shape. Door panels look new. As I was sitting in the car, the dash area is really nice. The dash pad, I did not see any cracks or splits. The whole center console's real nice. All the lenses are clear. The gauges are clean. Has quartz movement in the clock. They did put an aftermarket stereo, and there's some box speakers in the back. It's got the reverse lockout shifter. All the plastic trim, all the trim up in here, the housings over the seat belts, the kick panels, the visors, the mirror, all that stuff is exceptionally nice in here. I'm not going to use the word perfect, but it's all much nicer than most of them I look at. It truly is. Door jambs are even clean up in front where the hinges are. All that's painted real nice. Factory color. I'm pretty sure they call it Daytona yellow. I checked the code. This is the factory color. There's an oil change sticker, actually two of them right under the hood here from 1992. It's only had about 5,000 or 6,000 miles put on it. There's about 6,000 or 7,000 miles put on since 92. So this is the VIN number matched motor, and we checked the dates and the casting codes. It all looks to be real proper, and it all looks correct. It has the original air cleaner lid, the correct valve covers, the correct ignition shielding, all the components, the manifolds, even the carburetor. It looks restored, but it looks like an original carb. I didn't check numbers on it, but it's a correct one. The radiator system, the hoses, the clutch fan, the shroud, the expansion tank, all that looks to be in excellent shape. And everything is clean. The vacuum hoses are all routed properly. All the components and all the finishes are smooth and clean. Just like the interior, I'm not going to use the word perfect, but it's exceptionally nice, clean, and proper in here. Also features power steering and power brakes. And looking down at the suspension from on top, the A-arms, bolts, bushings, everything looks new. So really nice motor compartment too. It does come with some literature. There's photos. Photos of the restoration, all the body taken all down and redone, some miscellaneous receipts, some miscellaneous literature that comes with the car as well. And now that I know he's owned it that long, I'm going to call him and try and get a little more information. So read my ad on our website. If you're interested in the car, I might have more info to offer. So it is a 4-speed. Interior lights are working. Yep, chambered pipes have a little different sound. I hope the headlight's open. I can't see them with the hood open. Running real nicely. Now let's go for broke. Let's see if the wipers work. Absolutely. Those can be very finicky, and those are spot on. Thank you for not embarrassing me. Yeah, it's a nice car. Great color for a Corvette. This is beautiful. I mean, this car is an exceptionally nice car. Top to bottom, in and out. I don't think I ever opened that door. The spare tire carrier is underneath there. I'm going to open this door, just show you there's no issues. I just forgot to open it. This door panel looks new. Door jambs all nice. No issues. Interior lights work when I open it from this side too. So there you have it. This is an investment grade, fun, exciting Corvette. Big block, 4-speed, 370 posi. I bet this thing's a blast to drive. visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact our salesman. I just gave you my impression of what I think of a car. If you have specific questions or concerns, feel free to ask them. That's at volocars.com. They will also help you with the financing, delivery, paperwork. They can make that real easy for you. If you just enjoy watching the videos, I appreciate that. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you will be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.